AMP right now exchanges close $0. The demand generally is as of now at $0 a fundamentally large manner. AMP generally faces medium-term opposition at $0, or so they really thought. AMP records truly descending development today, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time especially clarified pressing issues. What generally is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for AMP, truly is AMP and in every way that really matters, wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty profound into the AMP specialized examination, for the most part allowed us to discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in a by and large significant manner, market investigation over the very last 24 hours. There certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,43010,892,478, which is genuinely critical. The sort of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $31,276,248,695, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, so AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0 a kind of large manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76%, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours. Most certainly further appearance how AMP keeps most certainly descending development today in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time span, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP for the most part is up by 1.98 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions really show that the market basically is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for most certainly transient in an essentially significant manner. As of now, an exceptionally broad especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a genuinely descending heading for essentially momentary in a huge manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely significant manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers generally become most certainly more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours. By and large further appearance how AMP keeps sort of descending development today in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers certainly become move truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following are the help and obstruction levels of AMP. AMP execution. The cost of AMP especially is at $0, down 2.27% in every way that really matters. Recent hours and especially has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $5,028,737.00 while really absolute market cap came to $206,066,187 showing the AMP support and opposition levels and so on, which especially is genuinely huge. There are practically 42,227,702,186 generally are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, exhibiting that help truly is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours. By and large further appearance how AMP records truly descending development today, or so they most certainly thought. AMP value examination. AMP cost examination for the 2nd of June 2023 inside a truly everyday time period generally made sense of beneath in a sort of large manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving genuinely normal and outstanding moving essentially normal to dissect the future development of the AMP, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking essentially. While AMP's Williams % R pointer for the most part is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange extremely signal by and large is really conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, which basically shows that while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period, which certainly is genuinely critical. AMP financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline. Pretty further appearance how AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they especially thought. The principal support level for AMP in a real sense is at $0, the subsequent one sort of is at $0, showing how while AMP's Williams % R pointer really is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign most certainly is by and large conceivable at this reach, which especially is genuinely huge. While taking about opposition, the AMP in a real sense has R1 and R2 at $0, exhibiting how similarly obstruction essentially is a level at which merchants certainly become move genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and for the most part is attempting to break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing that following essentially are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in a real sense is at $0, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, or so they truly thought. AMP explicitly is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to especially suggest that the cryptographic money generally is in a dubious circumstance that can't in every practical sense be redressed, which most certainly shows that similarly, obstruction in every way that really matters is a level at which dealers explicitly become move truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher incredibly. Regardless of whether the cost for the most part is falling consistently. It sort of is guessed that the two help levels will in a real sense act as kind of solid obstructions and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the very sure zone, showing that following certainly are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP especially is at $0, down 2.27% in the true